Good day, guys. I have some accessories here for the A7 III, and first of all, I'm going to discuss this quickie small one. This is not the main rig that I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to be talking about the Eightsin camera cage for the A7 III. It's not a new item. It's been there for a while, but the thing is, I just want to do my second review about it. I reviewed it before, and yeah, kind of needs a revamp. I kind of felt that I need to refresh that review. That review was not even clear. Anyway, let's do this. Let's try it. Okay, this is the A7 III. I really love the 17 to 28 lens on this one. And yeah, the first thing that I'm gonna show you is this one here. This is from SmallRig. Just check, it's not focusing. There you go. So this is a SmallRig cold shoe mount. So what you're going to do is you're going to have the A7 III here. You're going to mount it here. So there you go. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but yeah, you just mount the side with a screw and it's going to look like this. So what's the use of this thing? The use of this thing is that, hold on, I forgot something. Okay, I wasn't prepared. The use of this thing is just when you have this camera here, you're just gonna place this on top. There you go. So you have a mounting for your camera. It's not focusing, just focus, fucking hell. And you can mount your camera. I'm getting confused now. You can mount your camera here, and then there's another mounting. You can mount small camera thingy, or you can put your microphone even here. The good thing about this is that you can use this the cold shoe for other stuff. You want to put something in here, you want to put something in here, and it's going to protect the hot shoe of your camera, because if you mess up the hot shoe of your camera, then chances are you can't use it for photography. You can't use flash on it. So the hot shoe is good. Also, you can use other, like the microphone from the Sony. It has contacts there, unlike the Canons and the Nikons. It has more tech in there. So yeah, it's a shame. Don't destroy the cold shoe, then hot shoe. Fuck, I get confused. Yes, hot shoe. So yeah, I'm gonna discuss the next one. The next one is this cage here. I had a review before of this cage. It's the Eightsin cage for the A7 III. And at first I didn't like it because I was after something that has an Arca clamp on the bottom. I was using it for vlogging, and I want a built-in Arca clamp. Yeah, and the thing is, I didn't realize this is a cage, and if you want to get Arca clamps, you should get those L plates. Those L plates for the camera. So yeah, I got the L plate already from the camera, and yeah, it's a forgot the name. And I wanted a quick clamp for my tripod and my GorillaPod for that sake. And the thing is, I didn't realize this is a cage. This is for filming. And I gave away mine. My friend purchased it for me, and I was checking out two of my mates using this one. I felt like I wanted to have one also, so I got another one for me, and this is it. So I've been using it right now with my camera, with my A7 III. The good thing about this is when you put your camera in here, yep, let me just put it, hold on. So it's mounted with a screw underneath. Just tighten the screw. Has this one's here. The Allen screws. Allen screws. Yeah, this is the final thing. Don't mind the stickers there. So what I like about this thing is that, as you can see, it looks flush on the top. Like, it's so clean. And look at this side here. It's beveled, and when you hold it, it's not sharp like the SmallRig. Apparently, as what I've seen with the SmallRig ones, they're adapting this on the A6600 camera cage. But for this one, this was the first cage that I really saw that they had this beveled edges, and the sleek form. It's really nice. It's really good. And although I want something for my pinky, but this one here just works for my pinky. And yeah, on the side, this side here, this is the clamp for the HDMI. It's like when you tighten this one out, this is gonna tighten up it's gonna grip out the HDMI cable. plug. This one here is from SmallRig. I just added this, so just disregard that one. So this is my rig. I like it, and the good thing about this is that I like using this for video. It's really slick, it's really nice, it's really well made, and I like the weight of it. It's not heavy. Again, it's really good. Sorry about that. And, even if I'm doing photos, I'm doing photography, I'm leaving this here. Usually I take this off because I get annoyed. It's heavy, it's annoying, but right now it stays in my camera. Like this one here is really good. Like I just mount it and then shoot, and it's not annoying on top, unlike the others. It has like a square thing and like this. It's slick. It's like a big DSLR now. So yeah, I just leave it there when I'm shooting photos, and yeah, I really like it. Also, this is not a paid sponsorship video. I'm not being paid by Eightsin to promote this thing. I just like it. I had this before, and I did a very bad review about it. I said I don't like it. I'm returning it, or I'm giving it away. I'm selling it or something. Now I want two. I'm not another one, but the thing is, I only have one a7 III, so I'm just gonna have one. If you have time, just check it out. They're on sale sometimes right now. You can check them at online. You can go B&H, or if you're somewhere in Australia and New Zealand, you can check out Rubber Monkey. Again, this is not a paid sponsorship from Rubber Monkey or B&H or any of those, but yeah, I just want you guys to know that this thing is really good. Get yourself one of these. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.